How to sync Google Contacts with Outlook. You may have thousands of contacts on your Google Contacts, and you want to import it into your Outlook account. This process is a little bit complicated. In this video, I'll show you the complete process. So, without wasting further time, let's go to the desktop screen. Open your Google Contacts dashboard. All your contact data should be available here. To export these contacts, click on the Export button. Here, select the CSV for Outlook Only option and click on the Export button. As a result, the contacts will be downloaded as CSV file on your device. You can directly import this CSV file into your Outlook app, but if you want to edit it before importing, right-click on it and open it with the Excel app. Here you can edit the columns as per your needs and then click on the File button. Then click on the Save As button. Select a destination folder where you want to save the edited file. In the Save As Type field, select the CSV comma delimited option and click on the Save button. So all your Google Contacts are now available in a CSV file. Now let's open Outlook and import this CSV file. Here, first click on the File tab. Select the Open and Export menu. Click on the Import or Export option. Select Import from another program or file and click on the Next button. Here, select comma-separated values and click on the Next button. Now click on the Browse button. Select your CSV file and click on the OK button. Under the Options tab, select any options as per your needs and click on the Next button. Now select a destination folder where you want to import the CSV file and then click on the Next button. Here, to map your contact data, click on the Map Custom Fields button. In this wizard, the left panel contains all the columns of your CSV file, and in the right panel, you need to find and match the most suitable field for the columns. If you don't need custom mapping, just stay with the default map and click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Finish button. As a result, the contacts will be successfully imported. Here you can see all my Google Contacts are now available on my Outlook app. So this way you can sync your Google Contacts with Outlook. But this process is quite time-consuming and difficult when you want to import large amounts of CSV files. In such cases, you can try out our Regain Excel to PST converter software. With this software, you can easily convert your multiple CSV files into PST format. And then you can easily open the PST file with the Outlook app and access the contacts. That's all about our today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with us.